The snap on. All right, everybody. Having problems with the snap on shutting on and off. I took out the spark plug, and goodness gracious, it's the filthiest thing that ever was. So guess what? I have this old 1960s or 70s thing. You don't see this in stores anymore, folks, but there it is. Spark plug cleaner. You plug it into your battery. There you go, right there. Then it's got some sand in it, like you could get some of that hobby sand or whatever. I got some from the kids there. Turn her around. Keep turning it around a little bit more. Kind of like the stuff that they just don't have anymore. It's weird. All right, let's take a look. You can see that the sand starts cleaning it up, and I shake it usually, but I got two hands. I kind of got my hands full, so generally with the other hand I just move it around so the sand, see, got the sand inside. Here, let's try it again. You know, I might not have all that much sand in it. See that blue stuff right there? That's fine sand, but there you go. Look, it's cleaning it, brother. A lot better than what it was. I mean, the thing was totally clogged up and dirty. It had like grease and stuff all over it. Now I hope I can just crank that puppy up and get it started. Yeah, it looks to me like it's done its job. So that's all I just wanted to show you. There you go. Stuff that you don't see on sale on Amazon or anywhere else. It's a cleaner with gap. I think a gap somewhere else. Connects to a 12-volt battery. That's all, folks. And this was sold at Kmart. Check it out, see? Kmart. Just one of the things that Amazon has put out of business that you just can't do anymore. You can't go to Lowe's, you can't go to Walmart, you can't go to anywhere and get what you want. Most of the time you got to drive around, and look, we're going to put that back in the that spark plug back in and crank on that mower and see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I need you to subscribe and share so I can start posting on YouTube. If you see this straight out of my phone. Have a great day. God bless you. Live from Ocoee, Florida, at the Center of Good Living. This is Johnny Q reporting. And just like that, thank you for watching this movie. Let me go mow. Later. Like, subscribe, and share, folks. All right, people, again, here's Johnny. I wanted to just give in conclusion. The spark plug cleaner, awesome. Probably saves you $10-15 of the time and aggravation, because first you have to go online and see who has it. Most of the time they might not have it. Even the auto parts store, they have to order it for you, so you have to go there and pay for it in advance. Here's a different one, but you have to use a compressor for this one. They sell this at Harbor Freight, I believe. But again, it's a pain in the butt because you got to crank on a compressor, wait for the air to go in, make sure there's no water in the compressor, blah blah. This thing here plugs into 12-volt battery in any car. What the heck? And I bet you, okay, this is no longer available because the spark plug company saw, hey, this is we're losing business, so they bought the patent and probably pulled it off the market. That's my assumption. Anyway, with that said, have a great day. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what other videos you want to know about.